Skoda. Skoda, also called Skoda Auto, is one of the world's largest car manufacturers. It is the third oldest car manufacturer in the world and sells over 1 million cars per year worldwide. Skoda joined the Volkswagen Group in 2000, after getting offers from other car companies such as BMW, Renault, Ford, Mercedes-Benz and more. Here is the history of Skoda. Skoda Auto started in the early 1890s by Václav Klement and Václav Laurin. They started out by manufacturing bicycles. In 1898, Klement and Laurin moved to a newly built factory. The pair bought a small motorcycle company and started manufacturing motorcycles. An early motorcycle called Slavia made its debut in 1899 and the company became the first motorcycle factory in Central Europe. From this point on, Skoda was called makers of the first motorcycle. By 1905, Skoda started manufacturing automobiles. The first model, Voiturete, was a success and the company was established both within Austria-Hungary and internationally. During World War II, Skoda Works were turned into part of the Reichswerk Hermann Göring, serving the German war effort by producing components for military terrain vehicles, military planes, other weapon components and cartridge cases. Between the years of 1940 to 1945, Skoda Works factories were repeatedly bombed by the US and UK Air Forces until their total destruction in April 1945. Post-World War II, Skoda's factory had began its reconstruction. They started production on the new 1101 series. In 1948, Skoda became part of the communist planned economy. Despite the change, Skoda kept producing new models such as the Skoda 440 Spartak, 445 Octavia, Felicia and Skoda 1000. Skoda kept selling the same outdated models with little to no design changes until 1990s. The fall of communism brought great changes to Czechoslovakia and Skoda, like most industries, were subject to privatization. 8 companies expressed a serious interest in purchasing Skoda: BMW, GM, Renault, Volvo, Volkswagen, Ford, Fiat and Mercedes-Benz. Volkswagen was chosen by the Czech government on December 9, 1990. On December 11, 1995, VW Group shared 70% of Skoda. Backed by Volkswagen Group expertise and investments, the design, both style and engineering, has improved greatly. Skoda was not seen as the laughingstock of the automotive world anymore and sales were constantly improving throughout Europe. Fast forward to 2010, at the 2010 Paris Motor Show in September 2010, the company unveiled the Octavia Green Neo line. The final first-generation Octavia model exceeded 1.4 million units. In 2012, Skoda introduced 2 new mass-production models. The European version of the Rapid premiered at the Paris Motor Show. This car was a successor to the first-generation Octavia in terms of its price bracket. The second model was the third-generation Octavia, which premiered in December 2012. In the same month, local production of the Yeti was launched at the Nizhny Novgorod GAZ factory. In 2012, Skoda celebrated several milestones, including 14 million Skoda cars being produced since 1905, 3 million Fabias and 500,000 Superbs. In 2015, Skoda was voted the most dependable car brand in the UK. In 2016, Skoda Auto started manufacturing a large, 7-seat SUV called Skoda Kodiaq. In 2017, Skoda announced a new small family car called Skoda Scala. In 2019, the company introduced a new subcompact crossover called Skoda Kamiq. Skoda automobiles are sold in over 100 countries and in 2018, total global sales reached 1.25 million units, an increase of 4.4% from the previous year. Skoda's reputation is for being excellent value for money. It is the third oldest car manufacturer in the world and sells over 1 million cars per year all over the globe.